Ever wanted to explore Delaware without breaking the bank? Let's embark on a journey to this hidden gem of the East Coast. Though it's one of the smallest states in the USA, Delaware is bursting with charm, beauty, and a wealth of experiences. From its rich history and diverse landscapes to its friendly locals and vibrant culture, every corner of Delaware whispers a unique story. So, pack your bags and fasten your seatbelts. Ready to explore Delaware on a budget? Here are some tips. First on our list, dive into history and culture without emptying your wallet. Delaware is home to a myriad of affordable museums that offer a wealth of knowledge and entertainment. Take, for instance, the Delaware Art Museum. With an admission price of just $10, you can immerse yourself in the world of art and culture. Next, consider the Delaware Museum of Natural History. Here you can explore the mysteries of the natural world for a mere $9. And don't forget about the Zwannendale Museum, a tribute to Delaware's first European colony. To make the deal even sweeter, these museums often have discounts or free days. For instance, the Delaware Art Museum offers free admission on Sundays, and the Delaware Museum of Natural History has discounted entry on the first Sunday of every month. So, enrich your mind without thinning your pocket at these museums. Next up, immerse yourself in Delaware's natural beauty without spending a dime. Let's dive into the heart of the state's many budget-friendly parks. Starting with the Brandywine Creek State Park, a haven for hikers and nature lovers. Its expansive trails and picnicking spots are a delight for anyone seeking tranquility. Moving on, we have the Cape Henlopen State Park, a beachfront beauty that offers miles of sandy shores and fishing spots, perfect for a day of relaxation or an invigorating surf in the Atlantic waves. Then there's the Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, a paradise for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. With its vast wetlands and migratory bird species, it's a spectacle you won't want to miss. From hiking and fishing to birdwatching and picnicking, these parks offer a wealth of activities that cater to diverse interests, all without putting a dent in your wallet. Enjoy the great outdoors and keep your budget intact with these park visits. Now, the third tip is all about local deals and discounts. One of the best ways to stretch your budget in Delaware is by taking advantage of these deals. From discounted meals at local restaurants to reduced price tickets for attractions, there's always a bargain to be had. You might be surprised by how much you can save by dining at local eateries during off-peak hours or visiting attractions on weekdays. To find these deals, consider using websites or apps that compile local discounts. These platforms can be a treasure trove of savings, offering deals on everything from food and drink to entertainment and activities. Another tip is to keep an eye on local newspapers or community bulletins. They often feature coupons or special promotions for local businesses. And don't forget about word of mouth. Ask locals about their favorite budget-friendly spots. You never know what hidden gems you might uncover. With these local deals, you can enjoy Delaware's best without spending the most. Our fourth tip: experience Delaware's beauty with budget tours and camping. Delaware is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered, and there's no better way to do this than with budget-friendly tours and camping. The state offers a variety of affordable tour options, from exploring the historic cityscapes of Wilmington to immersing yourself in the natural beauty of the Delaware Water Gap. These tours provide an in-depth experience without breaking the bank. But why stop at day tours? Experience the magic of a Delaware night under the stars at one of the many affordable camping sites scattered across the state. From beachside locales to forest hideaways, these campsites offer a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with Delaware's beauty. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, these sites are equipped with all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. Get up close and personal with Delaware's beauty, all while staying within your budget. Finally, don't miss Delaware's breathtaking viewpoints. Imagine standing at the top of the observation tower at Cape Henlopen State Park, feeling the gentle sea breeze as you gaze upon the unending panorama of sea and sky, all for a minimal fee. Or, picture yourself at the edge of Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, feasting your eyes on the vibrant hues of the setting sun, absolutely free of charge. Soak up these stunning views without soaking your budget. So, there you have it. Exploring Delaware on a budget is more than possible. We've journeyed through affordable museums, strolled in budget-friendly parks, and uncovered local deals. We've found out how to enjoy budget tours and camping, and we've been awed by breathtaking viewpoints, all without breaking the bank. Delaware is a treasure trove of experiences that don't need to cost the earth. Pack your bags, set your budget, and get ready to discover the hidden gem that is Delaware.